Hello everyone, welcome to another gist day with Tell Tessie on Tell Tessie's Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube. I hope everybody did well. Thank God for another day. I don't see feedback. We don't come for the last videos where I don't make, and people are so grateful. Men are so happy that I'm giving these tips to women, and husbands are happy and wives are happy. Abi, when two people they happy, now so everything will just go molo without any problem. But wetin inside this matter be say matter it concern everybody, concern only women, even though particularly most of times I dey concentrate on women because as I dey used to talk, 80% of all the wahala we do for inside this life now we women we dey carry am. So that is why sometimes I dey talk more on women, but I no mean say the whole thing it concern only women. So like we don't dey talk all these past videos where I dey talk about knowing the size of your own thing and knowing the way the kind of dross where they pass with you and how you get to use pants protector. Okay, for those of una where they like to dey wear a string, even though string no be the your size, you will still force. And that is why when you dress up, when some of us women we dress up, you come see say clothes go dey show the place where dross reach. You go dey wear the thing so tight because I don't know whether na your size or una dey intentionally wear am like that. So anyway, what I dey to talk be say if you dey feel comfortable inside what you wear, wahala no dey inside that one, as far as you are happy and your own person where you dey with and too e dey happy. So what I want to talk today be say when we dey talk about cleaning, when we dey talk about cleaning, we dey talk about when you dey with your partner like that, una know as place dey hot now, even when place no dey hot, cleaning up at least before you go to bed be very important. Even though you no wash all your body, wash the contours, understand? Do the washing down there so that you feel fresh. Clean the armpits. You must not shower all the time. You clean your body, you dey fresh, go bed. And sometimes I dey talk say women, everybody, if you know yourself, when I dey talk last time of when you dey go party or when you dey go everywhere, parties they where nightclubs and everything, when you go people don't peace, you go carry to join on top pie. When you know say you get infection, waka they go see doctor. Some home remedies the day where you feel they use, but if those ones the highest na 3 days, if you no work, waka they go doctor. If you try those home remedies e no work, most of the time safe the home remedies where they dey these days they too dey harsh. Because you go hear some people say when you go grind pepper and kanwa take and put for inside. Some go tell you say when you go grind ginger and garlic, when you dey put for inside. Some go say go and you take a kanwa, you put for water, you sit down for on top, you take another one, you wash and you bath and put am for inside. Some go say salt, you put am for water, you take and bath am. You go dey see too much of everything causes trouble. Wahala go dey house. Especially like for women wey dey do obodo oyibo. These things, insurance they pay, they know they cost you anything. Just to go there, go and complain. See, the world don't become somewhere now where people, we are not even supposed to be ashamed of anything again at all. You're not supposed to shame. Now like this, see where person no know say go kill her, na go kill her. See where person no know say that go cause am trouble, na go cause am trouble. A lot of women, they don't fit get pregnant today or any one problem or the other, some and they talk, you know, because of past maybe infections where they no go, be they treated. It waka enter belle. A lot of other things the day where abortion and infections and 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 not taking care of problems where they concern vagina when you don't enter inside intestine, you don't reach belly, and everything don't spoil be that. So it is always very, very important. Say anything will concern your vagina, make they take good care of them all the time. No shame. Na shame na it make person go die for wetin no know. Na shame na it make future problems that will come happen where some and know say they now in the quiet of their rooms, they will be crying because of the things that happened in the past. I beg, make person no carry shame, go carry matter wey pass am. Don't be ashamed. And as I talk last time, say vaginal flow, where you don't they get some kind of vaginal flow where they get smell. Where they smell, there is no shame in smelling your drawers. If you smell your drawers, you see say the odor will not be pleasant. Let me say something is on the way or something is already there. So you will come the waka, come and be looking for a way that you are going to go and start looking for treatment. And if you know that you have a vagina that flows all the time, you they use vaginal what do they call them? Pants protector. I don't see anything wrong these days. You see people, person will go party. Party will go start for 12 o'clock for afternoon or even 10 o'clock for morning. You go dance that party, you finish, you enter no, the one will go start for morning time. When I finish that section, you enter gala night, you finish that section till the next day morning. Some of us we still there inside one dress. Even the ones where maybe they go they menstruate, they there inside one dress till the blood where they on top of the pad, it don't turn green. That one is already too dangerous for you. Blood where they on top your pad, it go turn green. And even though not be self say you they menstruate, you no go even come they use sense. I don't talk say if you see woman in way for waka, don't change. No, there is something very uncomfortable about her. It is either she is uncomfortably dressed, or her panties are tight, or she has sweated inside there, and she herself is not. It just be like small pikin we wear pampers. When pikin wear napkin, and when the napkin don't soak, when it don't wet, pants and shit and everything the inside, there is no way that child will feel free. You see them, their waka go change. That is the same thing that happens with adults. So when you, like a woman, say you day outside, I don't even know how you can wear one dress for morning till the next morning. There is no harm in carrying your pants in your handbag. There is no harm in carrying your body spray in your handbag. There is no harm in carrying even these wet washers, wet papers, where you can use to clean body. Any place where you day, you enter toilet, do cleaning, change everything, wrap the rest, put inside your handbag. Come the waka they go. The most important thing that you feel fresh and clean. Now it matter. Now the thing with the inside this thing be say, without some men they way when woman no clean, they no go near you. Now inside they talk say sometimes we they leave the wahala where they inside house, we go they find the one way outside. We not see the outside where they find. Because if your man they inside house with you, he no near you, you go they say you don't go sleep and down for outside. You never even say make I smell my own self, make I see how they smell. Whether they smell, they the one way person feel near me. You know what thinker. You come they talk say you don't go outside. Now when you won't go sleep in the night, you never even make sure say may you clean your body. And person, the kind odor where they come on your body, the kind smell of food, the kind smell of sweat, wey dey comot your body, person go sleep the face and that side now, e no go near you. So this small thing na very very easy thing wey you dey house, even though you no dey with man or you no dey with woman, you dey alone. If you self sleep, wake up in the morning, you feel fresh, you go na happiness. Okay, after thanking God, now to look yourself for mirror, say, ah, now so I sleep. You go sleep, you wake up clean, and you go dey turn in the night, they smell your body. So if you dey with somebody for house and you sleep like that, and the person no near you, you can't go dey talk say because you don't go find person for outside. Well, all these things they inside there. I am telling you that the couples wey una dey see the way they happy, no be medicine. No be medicine they use. Now little tips where it matter for inside a relationship. Now, before totori won't take place, people dey where they like some men or even though some women, they like dirty. They enjoy it when it is dirty. They like to be together when they smell sweat. I be waiting one I talk now. Some they like her like that, and some they know they like her like that. The most important thing be say you self you go dey look your own person for inside eye to take know what it be your own way like. And the most important one wey dey there be say to be with person, dialogue be very very important, so that you go still take know what that person like. Some day when they no like make their partner they shave, they like when na teeth they take the on a finger they take the pick the hair, they pick and pam pam. Be na which one be that one I don't understand. But some day when they know they like her, make their partner they shave. Some day where they see they like her clean, some they see they like her dirty, some so they see they like her smelly and stinky, some so they see they like her clean and fresh. It depends on what your partner like. Now you go they look, because now those small things where they keep people together. I beg, give this gist they sweet you, eh? Just help me press your finger for that subscribe button. Subscribe, share with family and friends. God bless you. So what's how they talk, we say dialogue, they're very important. Some like and dirty, some like and clean. But the most important thing, know it in your partner they like. So now, when it be like this, the series when I won't start next week. Yeah, let me say next week. What I won't start about now, to the talk about, you know, because people there where they don't even know whether totori be of any essence inside a relationship or in a marriage. People there where they don't know. So these things we need to talk about them freely, so that people will not know something, they go still learn something. So we go to talk, so you go subscribe, so that you will come take the get notification. Don't forget to press the bell, so that the bell go ring when I post another video. So these little tips, I sure say they go fit help somebody. If he help you, you share them with your brother, share them with your sister. God bless you all. There is no marriage, relationship, friendship, community, anything that is perfect. There is trouble everywhere. There is trouble everywhere. Do not look at any other person's couple and you admire them and you say, I wish our own was like their own. No magic, no DJ. You go still put head for ground, still see how you won't take the better your own, sort of admiring another person's own. Better your own life. No go they look another person's own. Think. Most of times, most of us women, partners, we know they ask for advice from friends. And still, some friends still the way, if you ask them, they go tell you, say, my husband love me, die. With the husband never touched themselves for the past 6 months for inside house. There are some very bad ones like that. So most of times, it even be advisable make una dey talk for inside house with your partner. Because when you don't get partner, now your brother, now your friend, now your father, now everything, that is why the two become one. So everything is supposed to be discussed in the house, inside the house, in the comfort of your bedroom, on your bed. Now there when I'll tell you talk everything. So all this thing where they talk like this, sometimes gist not they be only for woman. As they talk, men say follow inside. Men follow inside the gist. Some men then they where they very, very dirty. Some men then they where they go wear dross, they no go change her. Some men they where if woman no wake up in the morning, tell her say, honey, see new underwears for you, they go still wear the one we don't wear tete. Boxers, as I talk last time, boxers we don't come now, and the one we go cause trouble. But if anyhow you deal with your partner inside house, as I say, now we women will get 80% of the trouble. At least some 10% of men still dey too, or 20%, where they still they care for themselves and care also for their women. Because I know there are also some other women where they no care. They dey. So we are talking this thing vice versa. So in any way, if you see that your partner is weak in anything, you try to support them. That is why people are together. If you see that your wife or your husband is weak in any aspect, you people try to fix it together. There is no magic for a successful marriage. After prayers, you put hard work in anything. It is not to write, say, you will meet a good husband. Amen. There is nobody that is good. There is no woman and there is no man that is good. There is no one that is perfect. We just pray not to meet the bad ones. Make our children no follow the leftovers. We just pray. Make our eye no see bad thing. So anyhow, there is no way that any other person, human being, is perfect. Working together is very important in a couple, in a relationship, in a marriage. So make you now keep trying. Keep trying. Try again. Don't give up. And everything will just be fine. If you need any advice, please do not hesitate to contact me. Watch, share, comment, so that I will know where we are going and where we are coming from. God bless you as you watch and subscribe. And God bless you and bless your homes and bless your couples and bless even the young ones that are still looking for husbands to marry. And bless even the women that are looking for the fruit of the womb. God bless us all and accomplish our heart desires. I love you all and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed week, you all. Bye-bye.